The origins of Norfolk Blinds can be traced back to 1976 when my father John went into business in Tasmania, supplying furniture and window furnishings to the region. Since I joined the business in 1990, we've seen an enormous increase of manufacturing capacity. For a new range of window furnishings we started to produce ourselves. It all began with curtains and blinds, expanding into external shading products. Our Sydney office opened in 2007, with Melbourne following in 2011, and more recently, we opened a new manufacturing facility in New South Wales. Today there are two main streams in our business. First is commercial project work, where we supply and install blinds for construction companies and developers. Secondly is wholesale, where we supply custom-made blinds, curtains, and external shading products to retail stores throughout the country. As a proud Australian-made manufacturer with production facilities in New South Wales, Victoria, and Tasmania, I see our edge in local supply and installation through a vast network of site teams throughout the country. We saw a need to become efficient to compete with overseas imported products, as well as to retain Australian manufacturing jobs. This led us to implement the lean manufacturing philosophy. This approach minimises waste in our warehouse workflow, reduces lead times, lowers operating costs, whilst improving our product quality, which is key to our 100% customer satisfaction rate.
Biggest thing for me is accountability, I guess. At the end of a project, if there's any rectification required, Norfolk Blinds are always the first trade to come back and fix it, and they won't stop until the end user's happy with it. So that's something we love, and that's something why we'll continue to use them.
Norfolk are the best, and they have the best product, a quality product that we feel really proud to be able to put into people's homes.
We collaborate with some of the biggest construction names, and I'm personally proud that we've supplied some of the most iconic construction projects in the country, such as the International Convention Centre in Darling Harbour, Sydney, the Abode 318 residential apartment tower in Melbourne, and One Denison commercial tower in North Sydney. Our family has never been just about making and selling blinds and curtains. We have always been a passionate equal opportunity employer, supporting Australian community by putting bread on the table of hard-working Aussie families, no matter what the challenges. I'm Paul Humber of Norfolk Blinds, Australia's specialist manufacturer of commercial and multi-residential blinds and curtains.